What's up, people? It's me, Tunji from Ceasar Graphix. I want to welcome you to my layout and composition series. I want to say a big thank you to my guys from the Creative Designers Forum. And this is one of the designs that was sent to me this week. And I like the concept of this design. All right. I love the lady's picture used in this artwork. But the arrangement of the text is where I'm not a fan of using boxes. All right. Maybe that's why I'm not really feeling this. But at the end of this video, I'm sure some of you are going to look at me like, is this guy serious? Because the concept I'm going to be using for this design is going to be a little bit funny. All right. So, but please and please, it's not compulsory your design must look exactly like mine. I'm just showing you what I think will look nice if I'm asked to do this. Just flow with me. All right. So I'll see you guys in the tutorial.
Like I said, I'm going to be a little bit funny with this. So I'm going to drag in my image right here. So I'm going to zoom in, and I have this image right here that I'm going to use. So I'll flip this to the side, and I'm going to make this the blend mode. So I'm going to make the blend mode screen and reduce it a little bit, just tiny. Alright, then push this up somewhere here, and I'll zoom in a little bit more, and I'll push it a little bit to the side. Okay, I can see some errors here, so I'm going to mask this and click on brush, reduce the size of my brush with the square bracket. So I'm gonna brush till I get here. Okay, and for this one I'm going to I'm gonna add this. Alright, I'll hide this here, and I'll make use of my sniping tool. I don't know if I don't know how to take screenshots in Mac, but for Windows there's an application called sniping tool. Okay, and if you're a Windows user, you don't need to install it. It's already in your window application. So just type this name right here, just this. All right, just type this on the search bar on the start part of your window, and you should have this. So I'm going to position this here, and I'm going to take a screenshot of my screen. I'll position this here like this. Alright, and I'll click new. Alright, so I'm gonna start from here down to about here. Position it like here. I'll stop here. Nice. Alright, so I'm gonna save it. Alright, I'll save it on my computer, so I'll save it now, and I'll call it capture. I don't need this anymore, so I'll close it. Then so I'll go to the folder where I have it on my PC. So I'll just but first, before I do that, so I'll click file, new, and so I'll come here and change this to 1129. This is actually the size for my project. 1129 by 1316. Alright, and I am going to say red. So I'm gonna come here. Alright, so I'll go to, I don't need this again, so I'll close it. So I'll go to file, new. I'm trying to locate where I have the screenshot saved on my PC, so this is it. So this is right here, so I'll click open. Good. So this is it. So I'm going to drag this and drop in here. So I'll convert it to a smart object. Okay, so position this here. Just the size just a little bit. A little bit. A little bit. Alright. Nice. Alright, so I'm gonna, okay, no worry. No worry, I'm fine with it. I have the text type already, so I'll just do the copy and paste on this one. So I'll click here. Alright, and I'll paste it, and I'll reduce the size. To something like this. Okay, 0. Make this bold. Line advanced. I'll take this out. Yeah, I'll take that out, because this is actually why I want people to come for the training, or why the designer want this to come for the training. So I'll put this here for us to go up. Close the space right here. Photo editing techniques for graphic design plus photography. Okay, photography should come down, I guess. Then I'll push this up. I'm using the up and down arrow key on my keyboard to adjust that. So let's zoom in a little bit. So I already increase the size. Increase the size a little bit. Okay. And I'll push this up just a little bit more. Yeah. So I'll position this here, but looking at this space right here, so I'll draw a square or a rectangle, my queen, not square. Now I'm using Photoshop for this, so and I'll create a new layer, and I'll fill this layer with let's say red, or no, let me use orange. I think I prefer orange for this. Orange. Yeah, orange. More red, just a little bit. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna fill it with orange. Okay. Alright, so and let me bring in the lane advanced back. But this one should be smaller. So it should be positioned here, and I'll make the color gray. Okay, I'll push this up. Okay. Let's see what it will look like if I position this here. Should we put it here or here or here? Okay, let me leave it here, because I'm gonna put the name of the company right here. Alright, make them a little bit more smaller. Okay, and we have the training begins October 1st. So I'll copy this and I'll paste it here. Actually, I'm thinking this is looking too big, so I'm gonna reduce a little bit, just a little bit. Yeah. Make this smaller, so I'll push it on this here. I'll make it white. Okay, I'll make it white. Separate the other line. Okay. All right. So the next thing is I'm gonna add the fee. So the fee should be here. Fee should be here. And it should be smaller. Make this more. Put this here. So there's still one more, which is the time. Time. Push this up a little bit. Yeah. It's a bit too big for me. It is a little bit. Okay. For inquiries, should be here. This will be white. This here, and this will be smaller. Okay, so this is still looking too big for me, so I'm gonna reduce it a little bit more. I'm gonna reduce it a little bit more. Reduce it more. Ceasar, reduce it more. So use this as a guide. Yep. I'm gonna reduce it a little bit more about this point. Yes, I'll push this up about here. This come here, and I'll use this. I'll push this up to about this point. Yeah. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Please, if you're new to my channel, remember to hit the subscribe button so you will be notified when I post my videos. Okay guys, I'll see you guys in my next layout and composition series. Bye bye.